Okay, welcome to another tutorial video. My name is Mr. Justin, and today we're just going to cover how to start a brand new Adobe Animate project. So you can see here I have the Adobe Animate welcome screen open and ready to go. And so all I have to do to get started here is click on this new file button right here. So if I click on that, we get this new document window that pops up right here. And we're going to keep it pretty simple. I recommend we use the full HD option. We'll just look at these other options here. So I think 4K is a little too high resolution. It tends to slow down computers. So I discourage that one. HD and standard, I think they're a little bit too small, so the resolution's a little smaller. So they won't show up and look great on a really big screen. So for me, full HD is the size I like to use, and the frame rate, how many frames we see per second of animation, I like to keep that at 12 frames per second. Anything less than that, and the animation looks a little too choppy, and anything more than that, and you're just having to do too many drawings per second, and it's just going to take too long. So this 12 frames per second, I think, is a good middle ground that works really well for what we're going to be doing. So then all I have to do is hit create down here, this blue button, and now we have our interface, our canvas here in the middle. It's called a stage in Adobe Animate. We got our tools here on the left side. We got our properties panel here where we can change some of our settings. And then down here at the bottom is the timeline. You can see these are the frames that we're working with. You can see this 1S, that's 1 second, so which is 12 frames, 10, 11, 12. So 1 second for 12 frames, 24 frames is 2 seconds, 36 is 3, and so on. So you'll be filling this up with drawings and things like that down here to make your drawings move. The toolbar here is how you draw and color and things like that. If you need other panels, or if you don't see some of these panels that I have, you can always go up to this window option right here. Anything with a check mark is currently active. If it doesn't have a check mark next to it, that means it's not anywhere on the screen right now. But if you click on something, it'll pull up that extra window which you can use. Some of them are really useful. Some of them are more advanced for specific things. But I think that's all you need to know just to open up Adobe Animate. We'll be covering some of the more specific things in other videos. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.